Hello everyone, welcome to our March Star Student Virtual Assembly. Our Schall students show us over and over how amazing they are, and we are thrilled to be able to recognize our March Star students. We love this monthly celebration of outstanding student character choices. It is so important for our students to learn to make good choices at an early age to put them on the road to many future successes. We know that strong character is just as important as academic skills for our students to reach their full potential, and we want to make sure our students are reminded of that on a daily basis. Today, we are honoring those who have gone above and beyond as the star student in their classroom. March's theme was respect. Respect is a way of treating or thinking about something or someone. If you respect your people and places, you admire them and treat them well. Respect is thinking and acting in a positive way about yourself or others. It is thinking and acting in a way that shows others you care about their feelings and their well-being. Children with respect listen, keep unkind thoughts to themselves, speak kindly to teachers and others, play fairly, and wait their turn. They raise their hands before talking, say please and thank you, clean up after themselves, and share. We were looking for students who exemplified those traits throughout the month of March. And you can see on our screen here many of the words that were used to describe our star students for this month. So we are going to find out who this month's star students are. Their students will receive a packet which contains a certificate, a parent letter, a copy of the nomination, and some other fun activities. If our students are virtual students, they will receive those packets in the mail. Our first star student is from Miss Cook's third grade classroom. Your kindness and level of respect towards your peers and teacher is much appreciated. You show respect daily while in Google Meets to not allow at-home distractions to get in the way of others' learning. You show respect by being apologetic for those actions too. Even if you cannot control them, to have already learned respect at such a young age is phenomenal. It really makes you stand out as I look at characteristics my students have. I am inspired by your continual admiration for others during this difficult time of virtual learning, and I want you to know that I respect you as well. Keep up the great work, and congratulations to Brianna Heiser. Our next star student is from Miss Kennedy's third grade classroom. This student is always respectful. She says thank you every time I give her a paper or pick one out from her. She is respectful to her peers as well. Congratulations to Zia Smith-Doan. Great job, Zia. Our next star student is from Mrs. Martin's third grade classroom. Our March star student is a respectful and responsible young lady. She is kind, honest, and caring toward others. She takes pride in her work. She always has a great attitude and completes any task she is given. She has a wonderful sense of humor, which lifts all of us up when we need it. You can count on her to be a good friend and to follow our Schall expectations. Congratulations to Amby Behrens. Our next star student is from Mrs. Wallace's third grade classroom. This young lady is simply amazing. While she could easily qualify for all the star student themes, respect is by far her greatest attribute. She displays respect in her conversations with classmates and teachers. She also shows a high level of respect in school expectations and completing classwork. Always to the best of her ability. I'm so proud of her outstanding character. Congratulations to Cassandra Shantz. Our next star student is from Mrs. Warden's third grade classroom. This student demonstrates respect on a daily basis. He's extremely mannerly. He always says please and thank you. He raises his hand to speak and speaks kindly to those around him. He is friendly to everyone in class. He plays fair and is fun to be around. These are just a few things that make this student a star. I am nominating as my star student for this month, Kenan McNeil. Keep shining bright, buddy. It sure shows. Our next star student is from Mr. Ball's fourth grade classroom. Our star student this month is someone who demonstrates all the characteristics of respect. He thinks and acts in a positive way that shows he cares about his classmates and their feelings and well-being. He politely and respectfully listens to his teachers and other students. He can be counted on to follow expectations throughout the building. If a small issue ever arises, a simple reminder is all it takes to get him back on track. He will always follow up that reminder with an apology and a prompt change of behavior. His classmates notice the respect he shows, and as they voted for him to receive this award. Congratulations to Ben Chris. Our next star student is from Mrs. Bush's fourth grade classroom. Respecting others. Following school rules, having good manners, and being polite are all characteristics of Room 110 star student for the month of March. She makes sure to say good morning and will even come back in the room to tell me bye at the end of the day. I know behind that mask is a big smile. She pays attention in class and tries very hard. She gets along with other students and treats others the way she would want to be treated. You are a great example in Room 110, and I thank you for that, kiddo. You've got what it takes to be known as a star student at Schall Elementary. Congratulations to Layla Berlin. Our next star student is from Ms. Forbing and Mr. Spencer's 4th grade classroom. Being respectful all the time, even when others around you are not, can be very challenging. This young man is kind and respectful to others, no matter what other people may be doing. He comes in each morning with a smile on his face, and he does not let problems ruin his day. He handles difficult situations in an appropriate way and does his best to care for his classmates. We are so impressed with how respectful he is, and we know he will continue to do great things. Great job, kiddo. Congratulations to Zeke Rickwalt. Our next star student is from Mrs. K's 4th grade classroom. Our star student for the month of March is kind and thoughtful beyond her years. One of her peers even said, "She is nice and she doesn't forget to bring her things to school. She is very responsible and respectful." We are so lucky to have her in our class, and I am proud to announce Alejandria Mendez Holman, or Lexi, as our star student for the month. Our next star student is from Ms. Kuntz's 4th grade classroom. Respect is one of life's greatest treasures, a quote by Marilyn Monroe. Respect is not just something you show to others, but also something others give to you. It can be a struggle for many, especially in a virtual setting, but it's also very easy to see. It includes doing your best, completing things on time, but most importantly, interacting kindly while online, as well as not being a distraction to others. When I thought about who I felt showed respect not to just myself and other adults, but also to the other students in our class, this person immediately came to mind. They are kind and considerate to others with a good attitude, which is why I am happy to nominate them as our star student for March. Congratulations to Dylan Parrott. Our next star student is from Mrs. Burns' 5th grade classroom. When I think of the word respect, this student's name always comes to mind. She has always been respectful and polite to me and all other adults in our school. She always does her best and is willing to help others when they need it. Her classmates feel that she cares about the school and helps to keep it looking nice by helping to keep it clean. They also say that she is respectful to everyone and is always respectful to others' rights to learn. She never talks behind anyone's back and is a good friend to many. I am very proud to have this young lady in my class. Congratulations to Aaliyah Thompson. Our next star student is from Mrs. Gill's 5th grade classroom. Mutual respect is the foundation of genuine harmony, a quote by the Dalai Lama. Our star student shows respect and in return earns respect from those around him every day. As a teacher, I can always count on him to follow our classroom expectations. He gets involved in discussions and follows directions the first time given. He takes it upon himself to find ways to be productive in class without being a distraction to others. He is also respectful to those around them. He sets a great example for his classmates. He is always very kind and respectful to them with his words and actions. I believe they value his opinions as well. Congratulations. The respect you have given me and those around you is greatly appreciated. Keep up the great work and great job too, Wyatt McGowan. Our next star student is from Ms. Nichols' 5th grade classroom. The student I have selected for this month, the star student, shows respect in many different ways. For example, she shows respect in the classroom by listening to the instruction and working to accomplish assigned tasks. If I am talking to another teacher or student, she waits her turn patiently. She shows respect for herself as a learner by asking questions when she needs help and participating in class discussions to make sure she is understanding the material. Something that further impresses me about this student is that she is always quick to apologize if she ever finds herself acting in a disrespectful manner. Nobody's perfect, and I appreciate her willingness to admit her mistakes and quickly fix them. Therefore, due to the many reasons she demonstrates respect, I am nominating as our star student for the month of March, Natea Rhymes. Congratulations. And our final star student for this month is from Mrs. Torma's 5th grade classroom. This student is a student that shows respect not only to the adults that he comes in contact with, but with his fellow students as well. He comes into class ready to work and stays focused on the job at hand. He also speaks kindly to anyone in the room and is willing to help if he sees someone in need. He helps take care of the equipment for recess, making sure that it comes back to the classroom. A great example of this student's respectful attitude was on display during Valentine's Day. He took the time to thank every single person for the Valentine's cards he received. He has displayed this respectful attitude throughout the school year. For these reasons and many more, I am nominating as the star student for our classroom for the month of March, Jordan Brown. Congratulations. Congratulations to all of our March Star students. We would also like to recognize our classroom superstars for the month of March, who were chosen by our specials teachers for demonstrating outstanding character in their specials classes throughout the month. Our classroom superstars are the students from Mrs. K's fourth grade classroom. Next month's star student for the theme for the month is self-control. Self-control means the ability to control oneself, in particular one's emotions and desires, or the expression of them in one's behavior, especially in difficult situations. Stephen Covey, the author of many books, including The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, states, "You have to decide what your highest priorities are and have the courage, pleasantly, smilingly, non-apologetically, to say no to the other things. And the way to do that is by having a bigger yes burning inside. The enemy of the best is often the good." That is what self-control is all about. Saying no to those things that are not in line with our goals for success, and saying yes to those things that will lead us to the future we want for ourselves and those around us. We'll be looking for students who demonstrate the utmost self-control in all settings and situations to be next month's star student. Schall Elementary students do work hard every day to be good citizens, and we are very proud of them for that. I want to remind all of our students how important it is to demonstrate good citizenship everywhere you go. The kind of person you are is what people will remember you for the most. Congratulations. Have a great day.